Ajmo pljesak! Ajmo podrška! Bravo! Ovo je jedna varijacija dipsova. To je to. Ajmo podrška. Nije ovo lako.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best, you can be the King Kong hand on your chest. You can beat the world, you can beat the war, you can talk the guy, go banging on his door. You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock, you can move a mountain, you can break rocks. You can be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you can find yourself. Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name.
Jako lijepo. Inače, Kilman Flag i milijunska zastava.
You can run the mile, you can walk straight through hell with a smile. You can be the hero, you can get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke. Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Never gonna know if you ever even try. Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause they're gonna be there.
Jako lijepo, jako lijepo.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Ajmo podrška!
Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Stop me, I'm in the zone. Competition competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone, look, I'm in the zone. The competition whack, tell them let's get it on. My hustle getting crazy and I'ma finish strong. You threw up so many bricks, you probably could build a home. I done came a long way, this is what the grind made. Everybody want the shine, don't know what the shine take. You mad that I'm playing, call it sideline. Hey, it ain't over till it's over, buzzer be the mind state. If I ain't in the zone, call this. They ask me how I do it, tell them on wrist. Why y'all miss? I could probably do a backflip, fade away, and still watch the ball switch. Camera flash when I step up to the podium. Haters looking salty, easy on the sodium. You should plan to lose if you thinking about folding. Even when a joystick is
Dale, que tienes esta moment.
stop me, I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. Now who can stop me? I'm in the zone. Competition's none in a league of my own. All about the W, I'ma bring it home. When it's over with, I'ma be the king of the throne. I'm in the zone. And you can't take me out of that. At the top now, but the bottom's where they found me at. So if I'm down, it's facts. I'm like Dennis Rodman with the rebound when it come to bouncing back. It's like the Bulls is at the draft and I'm 23. I'm Mike with it, I feel bad for who checking me. Passed it ahead of beat, that you can never be. All about the W like after the letter V. They say they win, but I ain't heard of them cats. And since we talking about a winner, I am certainly that.
Now greetings to the world. Vice of the one big gangzilla alongside Skrillex. Them for no. Oh wait. Mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. And we ablaze the fire, make it fun. Then we mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Boy run.
Polska.
Then you be just like a fun. Mash up the place, turn up the bass and make them all have fun. Skrillex ablaze the fire, make it fun. Then we mash up the place, turn up the bass and make some fun. Boy run. And then you be just like a Sunday.
Polskie małe.
I'm at the bar, on a half a bar, sipping to the one, stumbling to the car, but I don't wanna leave cause it's too far. And these girls that I gotta jump in the trunk, red bump, black bump, white shot, big tone, breaking that back. It's on, I'ma take a low and it's gone. A freak for the week, trying to get a good, she better know how to move, stay with the beat, all on the floor. I gotta get there, shaking that ass.
to već. Nice. Svaka čast. Jako lijepo. Ako niste primijetili, svi naši članovi Street Workouta imaju jako lijepu liniju. Jer je ovo sve na prirodan način. I dijete uopće nisu bitne, ako morate sam doći ovdje i probati i osjećat ćete se savršeno u svom tijelu. Jako lijepo. Ajmo podrška! Praži naš!
Get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Get up, first shot, good strap walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky, Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad, moonwalking, and this here is a party. Been on Broadway, and we did it all. I shook my skin and put my bones into everything I record to it. And yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. That Bob Barker suit game and Plinko with my style. Money, stay on my craft, don't stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the black question. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We get out to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. Give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Now, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go guns, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I gotta eat it within my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Time to go off. Goodbye, I got a world to see. My girl, she wanna see Rome. Wow. You won't believe in that. Never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back.
Ajmo malo podrške za našu Mateju. Ne može samo ona. Svaka čast. To je to. Jako lijepo. Ajmo malo podrške, tako ste stali. Bravo, svaka čast. Kao što ste primetili, jedino što naši članovi koriste je magnezij. To je jedini trošak u toj workoutu. Jako lijepo. Evo podrške. Yes, sir. Fucking a different world, smoking that different more. Every week a different chore, everyone's a different chore. I got a gang of haters every day, I piss them off a little more. What you think I got a fucking pistol for? Jealousy's a disease that affect my enemies. They're screaming while they sipping on the Hennessy. Real overseas, making cheese, got sick banks. Mike's never for a coke, got a switch brain. The devastation of a moment of hesitation. Bravo, presa quiera. Jako lijepo. Jako lijepo. 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, 100% reason to remember the name. Like, he doesn't need his name up in lights. Swerbi, huh? Be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. Feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. Fuck him, he knows your code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality. Making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, top's picking it up. Together to do this music, and no gimmick, even conflict, just develop the fellowship. There's no pretension, it's friendship, meaning it's just assuming it's the same for him, it's just me. You see the name, it's just images, the shit is no gimmick. Blood in and blood out, when it's big, you just gotta know when the blood in and blood out. If there's a problem, we solve it, we don't resolve it, it usually just evolves, and when we grow, then we all get involved, and if we strong in a minute, there's no speak we inherit, wearing like a badge on a passing around the shit, we won't let it go to whoever's holding the most current beef on their shoulders, and their soldiers got their backs to the toes, with the great week, coming here to meet with nobody, we came to party, bank cash is the Mr. Ferrari, so it's shady after Miss Ass, backing that ass, you was asked to this all, we're gonna put some more possession in this. Jako lijepo. 20% skill, 15%
jaki. Jako dobro. Stvarno uzasno. Ovo će biti nešto opasno, čini mi se. Dobro, čitam je, izdržan je. Svaka čast, moj plesak ja. Svaka čast. Jako lijepo. Bravo! Slijedam vježba na karikama. Od gume. No. Svaka čast. Stoje na glavi. Jako lijepa forma. Jako lijepo. Inače naša Teja trenira tek mjesec dana. Svaka čast. je jak. Bravo. Ajmo pljesak jedan. Jako lijepo zamišljeno. To je to. Svaka čast, ja.
Choose one. Hey, bring it back. Now double your money and
Ajmo pljesak jedan. Slijedi nam još neka vaga. Sad ćemo doći vidjeti koja.
somebody bring me back the money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit. Buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid. I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit. Me, I make the blueprint. Came in the range. Hopped out the Lexus. Every year since. I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback. Rolling on the corner. Now I rock a telescope. Looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas. Brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin. I use my cojones. I move on with the only direction. Can't be scared to fail. Search and perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, even when we sexy. But don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back the money, please. I got a million ways to get it.
Jako lijepo, ne?
Bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. On to the next one. 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 Hold up.
Podrške malo.
Somebody bring me back the money, please.
Have a throwback jersey cause we on to the next one. And fuck that auto-tune cause we on. And niggas don't be mad cause it's all about progression. Loiterers should be arrested. I used to drink Cristal, who fuckers racist. So I switched gold bottles on to that spaceship. You gon' have another drink or you just gon' babysit. On to the next one, somebody call a waitress. Baby, I'm a boss, I don't know what they do. I don't get drops, I drop the label.
Svaka čast. Evo ga došli.